All the little birdies are here for dinner time. It's early dinner, 4:40.
Look at there's so many of them little birdies. So cute.
I was just napping. They definitely woke me up.
What their little chippy chip, chippy chip.
Earlier, I had caught 3 of them swinging on the thing. Swing, 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 swing. But when I pulled out the camera, they flew away. I'm like, whoa. Why?
Oh, look at that. Early dinner. Early dinner.
I had to fill it up twice. I filled it up this morning. Of course, the pigeons ate it all. But then the cooper was like crying woo, woo, earlier, like around 1 o'clock. And it was already empty, so I put it up. But she ate a little bit, but then I was, oh, who is that?
Chocolate! Is that you, Chocolate? I don't think that's you.
No, that's not you.
Why you look like that a little bit? Okay, chocolate number 2. Oh, look at you.
I love Chocolate, though. She's so cute. She was here the other day. Done jumped in the van. Get out of there. What are you doing? Yeah, that's what the pigeon was doing yesterday. Was sitting in front of the van blocking all the other birds. Yeah. I was so pissed. That's why I be scaring him away, because he be trying to, it's that one specific pigeon. He be trying to freaking be bullying and shit. Cooper was doing that too, though. But she chilled. Well, maybe the pigeon need to come regulate. I don't know. Regulate with the morning doves and shit. I don't know. Hi.
I like you. Yeah.